Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the XGEAR Portable Camping Chair, designed for adults who value comfort and durability in their outdoor adventures. This chair features a 22-inch high back and padded hard armrests, making it easy to sit and get out of, while providing excellent back support for those long days outdoors. Weighing only 11.46 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, thanks to its collapsible steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, capable of supporting up to 300 pounds. Enjoy the convenience of a swivel cup holder and detachable padded armrests, ensuring a comfortable and relaxing experience whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or watching a game. The chair opens and folds in just one step, and it comes with a handy carry bag for easy transport, making it perfect for any outdoor activity. Plus, with a full 1-year manufacturer's warranty against defective workmanship and materials, you can trust in the quality and reliability of this versatile camping chair. So, gear up for your next adventure with the XGEAR Portable Camping Chair and experience the ultimate in outdoor comfort and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.